Arriba. Bueno, chico. Good lad. Good morning, guys. My name's Alex, and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. My last one. So I'm just working out if I'm going to need snow chains to get out of here. And I looked a couple of hours ago, and I definitely would, but looks like your man here is sorting the job out. I don't know, it's pretty slippy like, but yeah. So I'm going to give it a go without chains. I'd rather it be uphill than down there, really, because you know, I'd rather not be able to get up the hill than slide it down it. But there is a big soft bank I can just like drive into if I need to stop. As long as I can get out of this bit. Just about. Okay, now the scary bit, down the hill. Seems alright. ABS is kicking in a lot, right? But you know, I am on summer tyres, so one of which really needs changing, which is the plan for today. It's been the plan for the day a lot of times, but finding a tyre here is hard. They're all like mega expensive and, well, anyway. Now uphill. I do love rear wheel drive. So I just nipped into this place next to Carrefour, and they're looking, again, 300 quid for a tyre. All they have is Michelin, you know, they don't have any budget. So I found budget online, on this website, whatever this is, 85 euros. Sound. But then you go to get it delivered at one of the tyre places around here, and you call the number, and the number doesn't work. And a couple of them I got through to, and then asked them for the mobile number so I can send them a text in French, you know. Don't get back to me. Just want a tyre. Right, I finally found a cheap tyre, 125 euros fitted down at Nord-Auto. Nord-Auto! Which is sick, right? But we're in France, not everything's that easy. He says to me, do it, no, just one. So finally got around the language barrier, and you can't have two tyres from a different manufacturer on the same axle. Even though the same size, everything else, all the same numbers, has to be the same manufacturer. Luckily, it's positive outlook. On the way to France, you may remember from a long time ago vlog, I ruined my spare tyre, or at least the tyre that's on my spare at the moment. And yeah, I haven't got it replaced yet, so I'm going to take my spare in and then I'll just change that one, which I needed to do anyway. And then I just need to find a jack, like strong jack. Yeah, waiting here now for like 2 hours, where they've slotted me in to fit it. That's the good thing about living in a van though, you know. Waiting is you're just waiting at home, it's not so bad. I do need to find an extension hose and wipers for my diesel heater, because I'm going to put a heater outlet into my garage because it's all mouldy again. Just realised I'm parked right next to a laundrette, which is guaranteed to be cheaper than the one in 𝐕𝐚𝐧, so make some use of this time. that's not just guys. So this is my last of my 31 day vlog challenge. 31 day daily vlog challenge. Naturally, let's talk about it a bit. How's it been? So when I initially started this, the idea was a bit of a challenge for myself and to learn a few things about vlogging, well, editing, you know, to learn to edit a bit faster, learn to be more confident with the camera and everything in public. What's happened? My editing, yeah, my editing is definitely faster, like twice as fast, but the quality is not as good because, you know, I've been trying to do it fast and fitting it in every single day, and it's been a little, it's not been tedious, but it's been a little less enjoyable than I usually find it, just because every single day, and also because what I'm filming is not what I'm normally filming. So yeah, tick in the box. I have got better at editing. I'm sure that when I come to edit my normal sort of videos, I'm still going to be faster. Confidence in public. Yeah, I mean, it's never been too bad, but I have always struggled a bit when, you know, if it's like a quiet place and you know everyone's guaranteed to look at you and think, wow. Yeah, much better. I've like 80% better, but there is still a little bit. However, I can force myself to do it in any situation now. And just general organisation with cameras and memory cards, files on the computer, everything has just got the organisation of it's been top notch. Yeah, it's good. What did you guys think of it? Did you enjoy these daily vlogs, or do you prefer the normal sort of videos I did previously? Would you like to see more of these? Would you like me to go back to the normal sort of videos? Would you like to subscribe? Can you subscribe? Come on, what you know, there's just subscribe. Give us a thumbs up as well, you know. Leave a comment. Comment and let me know some shit. I mean, in all seriousness, guys, some numbers of views on a video is numbers of views on a video, and yeah, it's great, but when somebody actually leaves a comment and says something, it makes a big difference to my motivation in making videos. Unless they say you're shit, and then it's like, you fucking want it! No. So the big question is, what happens next? Am I going to continue daily vlogging? Well, I'm going to answer that question after these highlights from the last 30 days. Good morning guys, my name's Alex and I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcella and our 2 dogs. And this is my daily vlog. Just another water fill up.
Greens, beans, potatoes and tomatoes.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes.
This is very hairy. Hairy. It's hairy. It is leaking from the seal. So today I'm gonna go. What did you hit? Yeah, but what part of your body? I see you hit the tree. Come on. Good morning, Alex.
Spoil yourself. You're at your granny. Open your mouth, daddy.
I don't understand.
Okay, I
What
need...
you want?
Whoa.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
God, that was emotional, wasn't it? Well, guys, the answer is no, I'm not going to continue daily vlogging. Not on YouTube, at least. What I am going to do is commit to daily Instagram stories, and not in the style that I already do on Instagram stories, but with more substance. So more like the vlogs that have been going on for these past 31 days. But without, you know, next to no editing, maybe minimal editing. Very raw, basically. As Instagram stories should be, in my opinion. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram, because it's going to be this. Well, if you like these vlogs anyway. If you didn't like these vlogs, then there's no point, because they're going to maybe they're going to be like this, but probably a little more, you know, a little more. The brakes would be off a little bit, you know. If you have enjoyed this stuff, go to my Instagram. Please follow me. Please watch my stories every day. Please comment on them as well. There'll be a link below as usual. I'm good with the links. There's always links there. So you're probably thinking, what about YouTube though? I am going to continue YouTube more in the style that I used to do it. Originally did YouTube. One video a week, which is going to be a more focused video on something that I really want to share with you guys, or something you guys have requested. I've still got a huge pipeline of videos to do for YouTube, and I'm probably going to start sharing them, well, actually not sharing them, but uploading them natively to Facebook as well, as I have been doing with these vlogs. Yeah, I've got there's some videos I'm quite excited about actually to get out on YouTube and Facebook. So, and the last thing that I'm really looking forward to is live video. I've only ever done one on Instagram. Wasn't that good, but I'm keen, you know. So I'm thinking along the lines of answering, going through your guys' comments, you know, answering them live. Maybe bringing a guest in, and me and a guest sitting and speaking over a subject, maybe a controversial matter, because I quite like controversial stuff, or maybe a van life matter, or maybe we'll get you guys to send questions in live. We'll just go live and say, guys, van life questions, let's go, and we can answer. Anything goes. And with the live, I'd like to I'd probably start them on YouTube and then spread them across the platforms as well, Instagram and Facebook. So what do you reckon about that, guys? You up for the live? Give me a comment below, let me know if you're going to come on live. I don't want to be going on live and sitting there on my own. It's going to be weird. So guys, I'd like to thank you all for watching my winter van life daily vlogs that have been going on the past 31 days. I do notice you serial watchers, by the way. I've been begin to recognise your names quite a lot doing these daily vlogs, so thanks you guys. It's been amazing to have you along. I really appreciate everything you've all said to me. And thank you all you guys who've taken part in my videos. Ted, Josh, Marcelo, Russ. Has anyone else been in? Anyone who's been in my videos, thank you. Oh, Sen and Zeus, obviously. I hope you stay with me on YouTube and on Instagram and other platforms for all the other sort of content I'm going to be bringing out. Tomorrow is the 1st of February, which means it's the end of dry Jan, and I've got no filming to do. I am going to get pissed. I mean, in all seriousness, my winter van life daily vlog has been going on. Oh, fucking hell. Highlights.
So it penetrates it easier.
I'll use the periscope. It'd be nice if it came up in one sheet and then could just chuck it out the window.
Yeah.
Chuck the sheet out of the window. That way. Vamos.
He's on the other end of the camera.
Fuck.
Babe, calm down. No, please, I didn't do it again. I didn't do it, please, babe.
It fucking reeks.
Prevent neurodegenerative disorders. Yeah, just like, you know, if you slip on the snow. Perfect.
Let's pull it off that there rack and stuck it in their car.
Hey Alex's fans, I'm his #1 fan, fuck you!